Hello? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll start a uniform circular motion today. So whenever the object is moving in a circle, it is called circular motion. What is the meaning of circular motion? Whenever the object is moving in a circle, we call it as circular motion. So suppose you are merry-go-round or anything you are putting in circular motion. Give me example for circular motion. Give me example for circular motion.
Giant wheel.
Ma'am, walking around a
Giant wheel.
circular park like that.
Yeah. In the
Giant
park you
wheel.
can see, in the park merry-go-round.
Planets, ma'am.
In the park you can see
Planets
merry-go-round.
orbit.
Planets
Yes.
orbit, ma'am.
Planets are moving
Planets
around the
orbit.
orbit. Very good. Planets are moving around the orbit. Correct. Then merry-go-round in the park. Planets are moving around in the park. Then any other example?
Hands of the clock.
Hands of the clock.
Hands of
Very
the
Giant wheel.
clock.
good. Very good.
Fan.
Next. Hands of the
Fan,
clock.
ma'am.
Fan,
Many.
ma'am.
So
Giant wheel, ma'am.
giant wheel,
Windmill, ma'am.
windmill. Very good. There are many examples you can give.
Ma'am, a
So,
fan, ma'am.
fan, blades of the fan, you should say. Okay, standard answer. You are in
Blades of the
ninth standard.
fan.
Okay, you are in ninth standard.
Movement of
Movement
spark
of the
around the
yeah.
correct.
So here we are going to learn uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion means the speed is constant. Uniform circular motion. What do you mean by uniform circular motion? When the body moves along a circular yeah, when it is in a speed is constant. When a body moves in a circular path with uniform speed, then it is called uniform circular motion. When the body moves in a circular path in the uniform speed, suppose 40 kilometer per hour or at 5 kilometer per hour, you are running, jogging. Okay, 5 kilometer per hour you are jogging. Suppose you jog in the same speed, you are not increasing your speed, same speed. That means uniform circular motion. Okay, so the uniform circular motion means whenever the object is moving in circle with a constant speed. But actually what has happened, even though the speed is constant, the velocity is not constant in this. Why?
Ma'am, the direction will
Because
change.
the
Not
direction is
face,
always changing.
Very
That's why
good.
it was
Direction
not
increasing.
will
face,
keep changing.
not
Good,
face
good.
like that.
Oh, good, good. Direction is not change. Keep on changing. For example, see, suppose you are going in a square park. There is one park near your ITA park. You are walking. You see, but ITA park and all is circular motion only. Any square park. So what happened? You are moving. You are running like this, and then you change your direction and move like this. So east direction, then south direction, then west direction, then north direction. Correct, no? So how many times you change the direction in this? Can anybody say
Four.
how
Four
many
times, ma'am.
times?
Four, ma'am.
Four times. Very
Four
good, four
times.
times.
Four
Now,
times,
suppose
ma'am.
what is this polygon called in mathematics? Some mathematics question, can I answer? Can I ask you?
Quadrilateral, ma'am.
Square, ma'am.
Quadrilateral.
Five parts.
Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral.
Wrong. I should not ask
Pentagon,
maths
ma'am.
Pentagon.
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 Very good. Some are good in maths, they are answering pentagon. So how many times the person will change the direction in pentagon?
5 times.
Five times.
Five times.
Five.
So you'll be moving like this. You will be moving like this. Immediately you will change the direction. Change the direction. Like that, 5 times you will change the direction. Now, what is the number of sides is 8? What do you mean? What do you call that polygon?
Octagon.
Octagon. Super, super.
Octagon.
Octagon. So in octagon, what happened? The person will be changing 8 times the
8
direction.
times.
8 times.
8 times he will move.
Times.
Like that,
8
many
times.
times.
8
So
times.
many times it is changing. So like that, in circle, what happened? Every second that direction is changing. Same like see octagon. Octagon is difficult to draw. This is hexagon. Okay. How will octagon will be drawn? Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay. Octagon. So every direction. So in a circle, what happened? Every second it is changing. See, for example, suppose you take a stone. Don't do that, okay? But I'm just telling you, you can do it when there is nobody's there. Yeah, take a stone, tie it to the thread and rotate in a circular path. Okay? You take a stone, tie it to a thread and rotate in a circular path. You have done that while playing, correct? Okay. So when you do that, what
Yes,
will
ma'am.
happen?
Yes, ma'am.
In one particular place, you leave the stone or that
The
stone
stone
will
moves in
come.
a circular path.
Suppose a stone is moving out, it will move like this, or it is in this place, it is moving like this. That shows different. This is called tangent, children. Tangent means the line which is touching the circle in one point. In mathematics, you will learn in future. Okay, it is going in a tangent way. It is going like this. Okay, any direction that stone is left over, that direction that stone will be moving. Okay, Newton's first law, it continues to move in the state of rest or state of motion. So in the same direction it will be moving. So that is only example for this. So in circular motion, even though the speed is constant, the velocities keep changing. That means the direction is keep changing. So we call circular motion is a accelerated motion. We call circular motion is a accelerated motion. Okay.
Accelerated motion.
Exit motion.
Okay. Like this only, satellites are moving around the, artificial satellites are moving around the Earth. Natural satellite. Which is natural satellite?
Moon.
Moon. Very
Moon.
good. So moon also,
Moon.
moon revolves, the moon rotates and revolves around the Earth due to this only. Whenever there is a, suppose you take a stone and you're tied to a thread and you're rotating, no, you can feel one pull. What is a pull called in physics?
Centripetal or centrifugal?
Very good, very good. Centripetal force. Who answered?
Ashish, ma'am.
Ashish. Good, Ashish. Centripetal force. This is the force responsible for rotating. So there should be some force pulling. Whenever there is rotation in the center, there will be some force pulling. You are keeping a thread, right? That radius of the thread. So that is only, there will be a force which is binding, which is making this stone to move. Same way, sun is a main center of the solar system, and there is a centrifugal force between the sun and the earth. That is why earth is rounding. Same way, there is a centrifugal force between the moon and the earth. Okay, that will not go very detail in astrology, but you should know the basic. Okay, that is why I'm teaching you all this. So these are the examples of uniform circular motion. Now I'll teach you one problem so that you can answer any problem comes, you can answer. Now if you have a scribbling pad, please write down the question. A cyclist goes around. Are you writing? A cyclist, write the question.
Yes, ma'am.
A cyclist goes around a circular track. A cyclist goes around a circular track.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Time
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
breaking.
All of you mute only. My mic should be on. Then you will not you will hear the sound correctly. Okay, all of you mute. All of you mute. See who's not muting the system. Check. Who's not muting the system? Everyone mute. Very good. Now a cyclist goes around. A cyclist goes around a circular path. A cyclist goes around the circular path once every 2 minutes. A cyclist goes around the circular path once in every 2 minutes. A cyclist goes around the circular path every 2 minutes. Every 2 minutes. Every 2 minutes. Did you write, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Every 2 minutes it is moving. Okay. Then if the radius of the circular track is 105 centimeters, the radius of the circular park is 105 meters. The radius of the circular park is 105 meters. Calculate the speed. Calculate the speed. How to do this? Speed is equal
We
to,
have to find the circumference and divide it by time.
very good, because it is a circular path. Circumference formula, area of the circle, circumference formula.
2 pi r.
2 pi r.
Very good, very good. Very good, very good. Circumference by time taken. Circumference is nothing but distance. Distance by time taken. Distance by time taken is speed, meter per second. You know that. Okay. Now, this 2 minutes you convert it into seconds, children. How to convert 2 minutes into second? You should multiply by 60.
Into 60,
120 seconds.
Into
Convert that.
660.
Convert that and
120, ma'am.
120. 120. Now 2 pi r. Circumference.
120,
So
ma'am.
speed is equal to. Now you substitute and tell me the answer. Let me see. My board is not at all cooperating with me. Speed is equal to 2 pi r divided by
circumference is
2 pi r is 22 by 7 you use. 22 by 7 r. What is the radius?
660 meters. Ma'am.
Radius equal to
105.
Time is equal to time is 120. So cancel into table 11 60. Then what is the answer? Ma, this is not cancelling, ma. Tell the answer, ma. Cancelling and tell. Cancel it in two table.
79,200, ma'am.
11 meter per 2 seconds.
11 meter per
No,
meter
denominator
per
2 is there.
seconds.
11 by 2, ma. 11 by 2.
5.5 meter per second.
5.5 meter per second. Very good. That is the answer. Like this you must do. Okay, children. So this is what you need to calculate.
5.5 meter.
5.5 meter per second. Say meter per second. SI unit is meter per second. The speed of the cyclist or a circular track is 5.5 meter per second. Last line you should write like this. This is the classwork problem. Okay, now homework. What you will do now, homework, no children. 6, 9, 10 in page 111 in NCERT book. Okay, what's the homework? Note down 6, 9 and 10th question in exercise problem in page 111 in your NCERT textbook. Then next Friday, I want assignment you should complete and keep. I'm going to correct it. If I can't correct, I'll make you put it in Google Classroom. So in the Google Classroom, I can correct. Assignment, blue book. Buy a blue book. Write down this exercise.
Ma'am, Google Classroom is there, ma'am.
Yeah, Google Classroom also we can correct. I can correct. Okay, let me tell you.
Ma'am, the homework, some